3. Yawning. Yawning might seem like a simple and even involuntary action, but it can actually help relieve ear congestion. When you yawn, your eustachian tubes open up naturally, allowing air to pass through and helping to balance the pressure in your middle ear. If you're dealing with mild ear congestion, try yawning a few times in a row to see if this natural method works for you. 4. The lip technique. Caution. A less conventional method involves using a technique where someone seals their lips around your nose and gently blows air into your nostrils while you swallow. This process forces air into the eustachian tubes, clearing the congestion in the middle ear.